how are you? Yapah here. So it is a new week and I'm still trying to finish up this piece from the order that I got from Tabernacles. If you haven't seen the previous vlog, it was the pieces from Tabernacles are not done because I am preggo again. Yay! So it's taking me longer. I was sick for a few months, and now I'm feeling better, so I'm getting back to work. Slow but steady, so things are a little slower than normal. But I last left off at this being too thin. I felt like for a pocket, so I undid this just now. I had to take these other stitches out, but I undid this. I took the stitches out, and I was having trouble trying to figure out what I was going to do. So I don't have any more black cotton fabric, and right now I'm kind of on a time crunch because things were due like a couple months ago. So what I have is this polyester black. However, I wanted to keep things all cotton. Like I said, I don't have any more black cotton, but I do have this kind of dark blue. However, I don't know. Kind of don't want to do it because it's blue. It kind of throws everything off. Like if she was to look in her pocket and it sees the lining is blue, it's kind of like, why? Why is it blue and not black? So I may have to chuck this one up and just use the black polyester on the inside for the pockets. So that's what I'm thinking. What do you guys think I should do? I don't know. I'm gonna go with this one, but I really want to know what you guys think I should do, and or what you guys think I should have done. And yeah, let me know in the comments, because I don't know. I may have to just just get some more black cotton for the next one, so that way it can all be cotton. Sorry, I have my window open again this time. I'm trying to get some air through here. This room gets hot and the sun is like beaming down in here, and the cars are loud. So but yeah, I hope it's manageable, and I'm gonna get back to work. Hey guys, so I got the pockets done. And lining, polyester, unfortunately. Polyester lining, unfortunately. It's all crinkled up like that because of the steam, but it's gonna get straightened out. But I got everything, not everything done, but I got the pockets done and pressed, so they're ready to be placed on the jacket, and I can get done with this jacket because I'm ready to be done with it, so I can move on to the next thing, and then I want to be done with the next thing so I can start on new stuff. Most high willing. So those are my thoughts. I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog again today or this, or if I'll just pick up tomorrow where I left off. I'm feeling like things are going on with my head, not like crazy stuff, like I'm like getting a headache or something. So that means I need to sit down and I need to eat and I need to rest and drink more water and coconut water and magnesium. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put the babies down for naps, and then I'm going to sit and eat and rest. So I'll talk to you guys later. See you in a bit. All right. Peace. Hey y'all, how you doing? So I just went straight into working, and I'm trying to finish this this first order from Tabernacles. So I'm pretty much almost done. I just need to do the gathering on the sleeve. It's still on the machine, so I just have to do the gathering on the sleeve. It'll shrink it a little bit, and then put the on both sleeves, and then put the finishing on the neckline all the way down the fronts and the middle. And lastly, I have to hem the bottom. So that's it. So I'm pretty excited about being done, which is great for me. Yay me, because I'm about ready. And in that way I can start working on the second thing from Tabernacles and be done with all tabs orders, besides the orders that people bought there at Tabs. So they bought things that I made pre-made, so people bought those things already, and I just have to finish the orders, the pre-orders that I got from Tabs, and then I'll be done. And then I can like work on Passover stuff. I may actually just sorry, I'm like staring into space right now. Excuse me. I may start working on Passover stuff before I actually get to finish the second Tabernacles order, but we'll see. So we'll see. I may or may not continue working later. It's about their nap time. They're about 20 minutes behind on their nap time. I wanted to just kind of finish as much of this as possible and then put them down for naps, and then that way I can get a majority of stuff done and then still be able to rest, eat and rest, and then get started on whatever needs to get started. But pretty much after I wake up, it's time to get them ready. They're up from their naps, so I get them ready, get their lunch, snack. I eat again, and by the time we're done, it's almost pretty much time for Daddy to be home. So I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I have to tinkle now. I'm gonna try to finish this. I have like 10 minutes left, and then I'm going to be done probably for the day. If you don't see me later on, then I'm done for the day. Until next time.
And if you didn't know, now you're gonna, yeah.